Hey traders, it's me. So this weekend I decided to make a video with my face so that you won't get bored in the first part of the video and I can keep you entertained throughout the video. I'll try to. In this weekend's video, like always, I'm going to talk about how you can make money in the financial market. Now every single week I come to show you the entry patterns, trades I've personally taken so that you guys understand that it is not impossible to make money in the financial market. But I'm sure there are people out there, they are telling you that no one can make money in financial market. I'm sure there are people out there, they maybe don't want you to make money. It is the only business, the trading is the only business where you can make insane amount of money without having any sort of boss. All you need is the right education and all you need discipline. Now every week I show you the trades, actual trades I personally take, and these are the entries. They are not alien for you. You have seen me taking this entry and you have seen me talking about this entry every other day. Now I'm going to show you all the entries and I'm going to show you the losing trades as well, because in trading we have losses as well. So talking about right education, I've extended my MMTA course offer. If you still want to avail that, you still have time to avail the 50% discount offer by the end of the day, which is 11:55 p.m. UK time. So if you still want to get that, you can go ahead and take a look at moneymarkers.uk, as I've got huge response from the traders out there and they're still trying to gain access through the discount code, which was inactive by yesterday, but I've reinstated the discount code till Sunday 10:55 p.m. So I'm going to show you the trades I've actually mentioned, predicted in my videos, and I'm going to show you if those condition happens in the market, why not you can make money. What is stopping you to take the trades? Maximum will be your stop loss hit. I have a big stop loss hit this week, which I'm going to show you as well. But let's see what I've said in the trade we took here on gold. As you can see, we are getting a symmetrical triangle pattern here. I only look for bullish trade. In this type of pattern, it can either break above or break below. It can move either way, but my rule is if the price forms this pattern above 50 EMA, all I look for the breakout above this pattern. Once we have a breakout with the candle must close above with a good momentum, like I want to see a good candle with the body must come out of this pattern closed above. If that happens, that is my entry, and I keep my stop loss below the pattern or below 50 EMA. Take profit wherever you want to take it. That's totally up to you. So as I've clearly mentioned that we are going to enter our trade if we have a breakout. Now if we have a breakout, we have a stop loss there, we have a take profit there. What is stopping you? Now you have make money here. Now you can't tell me that it is a guess. You can't say that that was just a luck, because we were prepared to enter this trade. We have our rules. If we have a symmetrical triangle happens above 50 EMA and if we have a breakout above 50 EMA, only then we're going to enter our trade. If we have the rules met, what the hell is stopping us to enter this trade, and why can't we make money? If the people are telling you can't make money in the forex, just tell them go F yourself, because those people, they are not willing to take risk. And risk is not something that you are just going to put all your money there and trade blindly. It is something that you have your right education. It is something you know your rules. When you know your rules, only then you take a risk. Only then you enter your trades, and once your rules are met, make money or lose money if something goes wrong. If something goes wrong, we have stop loss there, which I'm going to talk about in the next trade I had. Now right here, this trade, USD Japanese Yen, that was a nice setup. We had a bearish engulfing pattern right here, and then I've entered here. This was a trade sent in the priority group as well. Now I entered here, and that was 110 pips trade. Now tell me something. If I could able to make money in the other trades, and if this trade hit my stop loss, will I get upset? Of course I'll get upset for a couple of minutes, but then I will move on and I will take another trade, even though the price again quickly falls back in my direction. But that didn't hurt me, because I have my rules there. The people who can't make money in forex, those people, they have no rules there. They trade with hope. Hope means they keep moving their stop loss above, and then the price will still go against them, and what happens, they eventually blow up their account. But that is something I don't want to do. Once my stop loss is hit, I move ahead and look for my next opportunity. So this 110 pips did not hurt me. Trust me guys, it was nothing if you have the other good winning trade. If you want to make trading your business, you need to have your capital there. Now, if there is no capital, you won't be able to take other trades. If you blow your account just in a single trade, if you blow your account in 2 or 3 trades, because in trading we can have losing streak. If that happens and your account is blown out and then you see good opportunities, good setups, and you won't be able to take that, then all you do is just curse yourself. That is why it is very important to do a proper risk management to stay under your risk capital, so that even if you have 2 to 3 or 4 losing trades, you know that you can able to come back, you can able to make money because you have your capital there, you have your trading capital there, you have your investment there. If there is no investment, you won't be able to take trades. So that is very important. If you have a losing trades, doesn't matter, you'll feel shitty, but after that, in the end, if you follow your rules, if you have your trading strategy, then you can make money. Now this was a losing trade that did not hurt me, because after that I had a nice winning trade. Now I want to show you how nicely we follow the rules. If you remember, when the market is trending, we are not going to fight with the trend. What do you see here? You see a nice uptrend, right? A price is pushing up nicely. Why we fight with a trend? Unless the price is at the area of value, we expect a good bounce and then a continuation. That is how the price action works. Now, not taking your profits is as risky as not placing your stop loss. A very good example we have on gold. Now let's talk about this trade. First, we have a price trending up in a nice uptrend, right? All I was looking is buy trades only. If market is trending, I do not dare to enter counter trades until I know the zones, until I identify the area of value that we can get a possible fall out of those area of value. Now right here, a trade alert sent to the members that I'll be looking to enter my buy trades, and we also have a valid pattern on natural gas, which I'm going to talk about in a very short moment. We have a pullback entry bullish here on GBPCAD, and we had a pullback pattern on net gas, which I'm going to talk about in a very short while. So we have a same patterns but in the opposite way. So in this case, price is trending higher. We had pullback, and then we had a bullish engulfing pattern in an uptrend above 50 EMA. My rules are met, and when my rules are met, I have a strategy. When we have 6 rules met, we take the trades. Now here my 6 rules are met, we enter this trade, and then we are also aware that the price is approaching a level of major resistance from where we can get a possible fall out of. I send this trade alert, and with that I also send my members a zone which is an area of value right here. So as you can see how nicely we took a buy trade right here, and then we were prepared, the price was somewhere here, to take our sell trade. We were prepared that we have a resistance level above price. If the price gets to my level, we can enter possible sell trade with one of the entry conditions. So right here, a nice successful buy trade, but we exit here. I could have managed it till here, but I was busy somewhere. That's why I didn't manage this trade, but I did manage my sell trade, because for counter trades, I expect good amount of bounce. What we had a nice 382 candle. I entered few pips below that according to my strategy, and what do we have? We had a 77 pips take profit from sell. We had a 39 pips take profit from buy. How nicely we recovered the loss of USD Japanese yen trade. That was a losing trade of 106 pips. So that is how you make money. And if someone says you can't make money, I already told you what to tell them. So be disciplined and do not just try to take trades every single day. Now the mistake that traders do when the market opens on Monday, just want to enter the market, they just want to enter a trade because it gives them a thrill and adrenaline rush. And on Friday, what happens? The traders want to jump in the trade before the market closes, because they want to make up all the losses which they had throughout the week. And what they do, they just try to force themselves to take the trades to make the losses back, and in that process they lose again. So Mondays, they want to enter with a thrill without any setups. They enter the trades without any reasons. On Friday, they want to make back their losses. They enter the trades without any setups. They take impulsive decisions, and then they get stuck. So that is what you need to understand. You need to be disciplined to take your trade. Take it as a business. If you take it as a business, trust me, it will also treat you as a boss. Now then we have net gas trade. Now if you say you can't make money in financial market, let me show you what I've said in my previous videos when we had this entry happen, so that you will see these entries happens just within 1 week. If in 1 week we can make money, why not following our rules we make money in the other weeks as well? Of course, some weeks can be break even, some weeks can be drawdown, but in the end I make money. Why can't you make money? These top 10% people are making money. They are not an alien. They are also human beings, but the only difference is they have the discipline. Follow your discipline, you make money as well. So from the low of this candle and till the zone up there that has been broken recently, now I'll be looking to enter my trades in a less aggressive way. That will be a push up and a bearish engulfing candle. If I get a condition like a bearish engulfing candle below 50 EMA, which is my red line, in that case, I'll take a short entry and I'll use 1 ATR for my target. If you pull up the Fibonacci tool, in that case, the 50% retracement will be my sell limit order. If you want to enter in a very aggressive way, with a hit of 50% retracement, you have a sell limit order. If that happens, I'll keep my stop loss above and take profit. Is normally 1.618 retracement, or use 1 ATR for your target initially. Nice one. So you see, we predicted that price is gonna fall from 50% retracement with an aggressive or less aggressive way. We have both there. We have both conditions here. What else is stopping you to take this trade? Now, if you are not an aggressive trader, you would have entered at the swing high, bearish engulfing pattern. And if you are an aggressive trader, you would have entered right at the 50% retracement. And that is insane amount of profit you could have got from a natural gas right here. So again, we predicted, we had rules met, condition happens, we enter the trade and we make money. Then we have gold. Let's see what I've said in my previous video so that you see how the condition means. Short, but I'm also looking for my double top entries on 1 hour time frame, and I can see a clear double top pattern right here. We already have one top. Now we are in a process of a pullback and in a process of forming another top right here. If all I want to see a rejection followed by bearish engulfer, a red candle, 382 candle, inverted hammers within this rejection box to take my short trade. Once that happens, I'll keep a stop loss above this rejection box and take profit wherever you want to take it. It's totally up to you. Awesome. So now, at that time, the price was somewhere here, and it was in the process of forming a double top. Now the professional traders, the people who want to make money in the market, they will not do something which is, okay, the price is going to hit the double top. This analyst told us that if we have a double top, we're going to take our sell trade. But he said that if the price hit the double top, we're going to enter the trade. Why not just enter the trade here and keep the trade running till here? Because this analyst said that it's going to possibly make a double top. We start to make money in the buy and then we take sell. Now, this is the mindset I don't want you guys to have. If we say that the price is going to go up, form a possible double top pattern, means that this is the conditions we'll be looking for sell trades only. In between, we are not looking at anything. All we are looking at the one pattern. We have to be really clear in our head that if we have a double top, only then we are going to enter the trade. If we have no double tops, if we have no condition, we are not going to ride till the price forms a double top. What if the price just falls from here and then you'll be like, oh, you said that it's going to form a likely double top, but it did not happen. Of course, no one has a magic wand. We were only looking at the double tops, not looking at any sort of buy trades till the price forms a double top. We are only focused on one single thing. If that happens, we take a trade. If it won't, we move ahead and look for the next opportunity. Right here, a good condition. We had a double top pattern and a nice take profit hit here as well. Like I mentioned, not having a take profit is as risky as not placing your stop loss. Right here, a good example of a copper trade I took. Let me show you what I've said in my previous videos so that you can see we made money here as well once the conditions meet. So copper is now pushing up again back in the level of resistance, and we can get a possible double top pattern right here. If we have a rejection within this box with bearish engulfer or inverted hammer or 382 candle, something like this, in that case we have a valid double top pattern. I'll keep my stop loss above, take profit wherever you want to take it. Nice one. So you see how nicely the price forms a double top engulfing pattern right here. What the hell is stopping us to take this trade? Nothing is stopping us to taking this trade if we are confident enough to take these entries, if we follow our rules, if we are disciplined enough. Now, a good example of not having to take profit there, if you are greedy and say, okay, let's let the price fall more and we can make more money. Now in this scenario, you see that price forms a double top. I entered, I've just gone 1.2 to 1:1 ratio. I was out of this trade because I've already made money here. And then I had a double top. I got a chance to make money again. I went a better risk to reward ratio and I was out. And you see, after hitting the take profit, the price pushes up dramatically. Now the reason I set up stops and target according to the ATR, it is because ATR keeps you with the volatility of the market, and according to the ATR the target was this number you see, and if I go against these numbers, the chances are the price will hit my stop loss and falls back to my take profit. What I mean by that is, if I keep my stop loss less than the ATR, let's say if I keep my stop loss here, what happens is the price will hit my stop loss and then fall. That is why it's very important to align yourself according to the ATR that calculates the last 14 candles and give you the volatility and number, and we set our stop loss and take profit according to the ATR, because I've seen some traders, they keep a very tight stop loss, which is fine, but at least align yourself with the ATR and then get a better reward to risk ratio in your take profits. That is a good trade example that we had a stop loss take profit hit and we are out of this trade, not being greedy, and then the price pushes up. Now let me show you the last forex pair and then we're going to move ahead for our commodity analysis. A last one here for GBPUSD, and I've sent this report to the members that for this pair I'll be looking to enter my sell trade if I get a condition at my area of value, which is the zone here. Right here in red you can see on your screens. Right here we were prepared to take this trade, and did we enter blindly that price will hit the zone and then it will definitely fall? No, we did not enter blindly. Let me show you very quickly, if you do that, what are the consequences. Right here I've sent this report to the members that I'll be looking to enter my sell trade from this area of value. Now if you do it blindly without any signal, without price action tells you that I'm going to fall or rise, in this case I was waiting for the price action to tell me that it's going to fall with a signal like bearish engulfers, double tops or inverted hammers. We have no signal within this area of value. Now if you would have entered here blindly, that would be a lot of loss and stress for you, and price just pushes higher and this zone did not react. Instead its zone has been broken with the buying pressure. Now we're going to use this zone as our trend continuation zone, so if there is no conditions, there is no point to enter the trades. It is just gambling. Coming back to GBPUSD, report sent to the members that I'll be looking to enter my sell trade. What are the conditions are? Conditions are double top 382 candle in bearish engulfers, and what do you see here? We had a nice hit of the zone. We had a first top, then we had a second top with bearish candle, and then a nice 1.4 to 1 risk to reward ratio profit has been hit according to my stops and target rules. This is how I take my personal trade, and this is how my students are learning in MMTA how to set up stops and target accordingly. Now a good take profit has been hit here, and now we are getting a possible double top on 4-hour time frame. I'll see if we have a condition here with bearish engulfer, I might enter this trade again. So that's it for the first part of the video. I hope I have not bored you today and you got some value out of my videos. If yes, hit a like button for me, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. There are so many other pairs I want to show you, but it's going to make a video much longer. That is why I just want to wrap the first part here, move ahead to the commodity analysis, starting with natural gas, gold, silver and crude oil. So the first one we have net gas. So as mentioned in my last video that I'll be looking to enter my sell trades below 50 EMA, or if we have a breakout below this pattern. Now we had a breakout below this pattern and we have a likely chance that price will still fall from here. We are still in a bearish continuation. Price is still pushing lower in a nice bearish momentum, and right here if you see we have a zone below. In case you missed this zone, is 2.419 goes up to 2.493, a zone from where only area for me to enter my buy trades. I'm not going to enter any trade looking at this bullish candle. That doesn't mean anything to me. I want to see this pattern within this zone. If I have this pattern within this zone, only then I'll look for my trades like bearish engulfers or double top entry condition. If we have that, we are good to go long. Otherwise I'll still wait till the price gets to my level, or I'm only looking at my sell conditions. And what are my conditions? A pullback below 50 EMA, a hit of 50 EMA, and followed by bearish engulfing candle. If we have that, we are good to go short till we get to this level. Buy trades will be only from here, or if you have a dramatic push up, break above 50 EMA, only then I'll start to look for my buying opportunities. For now, we are below the zones, we are below the EMAs, in between the zone, all I'm looking at bearish trades. Only keep an eye here, once we have a condition from this area, only then I'm expecting a bounce from here. For now, we have a break below this pattern and I'm expecting a good fall at this area of value. Next, we have capital.com, exactly the same as Oanda. Not taking any buy trades, we're going to get a possible pullback to 50 EMA, followed by bearish engulfer. If that happens, I'm going to take short trades, not entering any buy as long as we are below all the EMAs or until we hit the zone below, which is right here. In case you missed it, it is a good level, which is 2.482 goes up to 2.587, from where we're going to look for our buying opportunities like bullish engulfers and double bottom entry conditions. Or if we have a dramatic push up above 50 EMA, only then we're going to look for sell trades. Here on EMEX, exactly the same, sell trades only till the price hit the zone below, which is 2.457 goes to 2.556. Have these zones ready. Once we have a condition, we are good to go short. We can still get a push up to 50 EMA and followed by bearish engulfer. If that happens, we're going to take over sell trades only. Then we have gold. Gold is now broken above this area of value, a very big level, and all time high. We are now in an uptrend, a very strong uptrend and a bullish momentum. Now as you can see on weekly time frame, the price is now made almost an all-time high. Now it's a very likely chance we can get a very big pullback. That's just a pullback, and it can be till this zone below, which is 2034. That goes up to 205, 2.99. We can get a possible pullback looking at this weekly level. And if we have a bearish engulfing candle here, in that case, we have a sell signal. That is just a pullback where we can scalp out some of your profits if we have a sell signal like a bearish engulfing candle that fully engulfs the previous candle. If that happens, I will go for my sell trade till the price hit the zone below, and if the price hit the zone below forms a bullish engulfing pattern, I will go long from there. So keep an eye here. We can expect a possible pullback to this zone, or we can also get a possible pullback to 50 EMA, a big pullback to 50 EMA, and get another buy signal. So not selling as long as we are getting a bearish engulfing pattern here, or we are broken below 50 EMA dramatically. So keep an eye here. These are the conditions I'll be looking at to take my trades. Silver is pushing higher and broken above the minor level that was expected. Now at this point, we can get a possible pullback which can be 50% retracement for an aggressive traders, which is right here. 50% retracement will be my buy limit order from here, and my take profit will be 1.618 retracement if I want to manage it. But initially I will use 1 ATR for my stops and target and manage it till 1.618 retracement. So that is for aggressive traders. Or for less aggressive traders, we can expect a pullback of few red candles followed by bullish engulfers, and keep on taking longs till the price hit the major area of value, which is above right here. 25.86 goes up to 26.39, from where I'll be looking to enter my sell trades with bearish engulfers, double top or inverted hammers. 382 candles is also one of my entry conditions. Keep an eye, look for the conditions accordingly. Last one, we have crude oil is now pushing lower with a big pullback from this minor anchor I have mentioned in my last video. Now price is heading towards a level of support which is not a major level, so I'm not looking for big bounce. We can get a pullback to the zone, a yellow box here. Once we have a pullback to this yellow box, and if we have a bullish engulfers or a green candle, I'm expecting a little bounce and a continuation towards the downside. The only zone I will look into enter my reversal trades is below here. If the price gets to this zone, only then I'll start to look for my big reversal trades. For now, we are bearish. All I'm waiting. Buy trades from here. If broken below this low, I'll start to look for my sell continuation trades, which is my bearish pullback entries. So not taking any trades for crude oil, or I'm looking at the conditions here for buy, a little bounce, and sell. If we have a break below this low, we start to look for sell conditions. So that's it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always email me at support@moneymarkers.net. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.